Welcome back, divas. It's your girl TX Beauty Queen 83, and I am here with you today with a Foundation Friday. And today we are going to be reviewing the new Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Foundation, and I am in the shade 6.5 or Warm Almond. So the foundation came out a couple of weeks ago now, and I thought I'd give it a try because it looked really interesting. So the foundation does retail for $46, and it is available at Sephora or the Bobbi Brown website. Now the foundation is geared towards normal, oily, or combination skin types, and it is supposed to be long wearing, full cover. But I think that it's a medium to buildable coverage. It is oil free and it has an SPF of 15. Now the foundation is a natural matte, which I do agree with you guys. I really do like the dry down on this foundation. It is 1 standard fluid ounce of product, and you're supposed to be able to get 16 hours of wear out of the foundation. Now, one of the things that I really do appreciate is the foundation does come in 30 different shades, and I am in the shade 6.5, and then there's 9 shades darker than me. So that is amazing. So thank you, Bobbi Brown. Now, as far as my wear test is concerned, I did a 2-day wear test for you guys, and the first wear test I wore the foundation for 12 hours, so you're getting a full deal. And I combined that with the Becca Ever-Matte Poreless Primer, and then on day 2 I combined it with the Too Faced Hangover RX, and then I put the Dr. Brandt Pores No More in my T-zone. So if you guys are interested in how my wear test went, please keep on watching. Before foundation, I like to go ahead and color correct with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit, and I'm gonna take the coral color and correct around my mouth and in the dark spots that I have on my face. Okay, so our face is already primed with the Too Faced Hangover RX and the Becca Ever-Matte Poreless Primer in the areas where we get oily. I'm going to be applying this foundation with a number 56 Sephora Pro Brush, and today I am wearing the shade 6.5 Warm Almond. And so I started to get 6.25, but I just decided to get 6.5, and if it's a little bit too dark or too warm, then I'll switch it out. So I'm going to start out by taking 2 pumps to apply the foundation to 1/2 of my face. So it isn't runny at all. It's kind of moussey. It's hardly even moving on the back of my hand. Do we think that that is a good color match? Please comment down below. It smells like skincare, just really fresh. I don't know why, but the foundation kind of smells like it has cocoa butter in it. It's a weird scent, but very fresh, and it smells like skincare. I don't really know how else to explain it. So the foundation is drying down very quickly into a matte finish, but it's not tight. It's not like straight up flat matte. It's quite a natural matte, but it's definitely matte for sure. Because the foundation dried down super fast, I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and just smooth out. Just make sure that I don't have any streaks on my face, because with these lights, I really can't tell. I'm just going to go back in with a little bit more on my problem areas. Okay, so this is the half of my face with the foundation on. This is just with no makeup and primer, and I do like the coverage. It's not as full coverage as the NARS foundation, the new NARS Radiant Foundation, in my opinion. The new NARS foundation would have completely covered this blemish. I don't really even know how that's picking up on camera, but in my mirror here, I can see this discoloration still, but even with that, the coverage is really good, and I do like the finish. It is pretty flat. However, you know, after I bronze and highlight, you know, that'll be not a major concern. So what I'll do is apply the foundation to the other half of my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've allowed the foundation to dry down and oxidize if it would. I've had the foundation on for about 20 minutes, and I wanted to kind of see if the color would change or if there would be any changes in the foundation. I did not want to put any other makeup on top of the foundation until I was able to see how the foundation would behave. So I think that it dried down just a little bit darker. I do think that at this point I could have went ahead and used the 6.25, but you guys let me know what you think. The color does look really good, and I tried to compare it to what my neck versus my chest would be. So what I'm gonna do is apply the rest of my makeup and come back and give you guys a little update. Okay guys, I am back. I have on a full face of makeup, and quite a bit of time has passed. I have took a break, got something to eat, and all of that. So with that said, it's been about 3 hours since I first applied the foundation, you guys, and I don't want to get too far ahead of myself, but I can honestly say I am impressed, truly impressed. The combination of the Becca primer and this foundation, like there's no even hint of oils even trying to think about even coming through, and it's been 3 hours. With the NARS Radiant foundation, at about 3 to 4 hours, you can kind of see just a, you know, you can see a little bit of dewiness, but by hour 5 you were definitely dewy for me with oily skin. So it is 4:51. I have a lot to do today, so I'm going to be able to get a really good wear test. I have a couple of more videos to film, and I'm actually going out to karaoke tonight. So it's already been 3 hours. I probably won't check back in to around until about 10, 11, maybe even 12 o'clock this morning. But we shall see. I will definitely be able to get in at least 8 hours of wear. I am really excited, y'all, because so far the foundation is wearing beautifully. You guys let me know what you think. I will be back in later tonight for my final check-in. Okay, I just wanted to come and show you guys how the Bobbi Brown foundation, skin foundation, is holding up. And I would have to say, you guys, that it is holding up really, really good. And it is 7:48 right now. It is 7:48. So I will be wearing the foundation for a few more hours. I will come and check in once we get back home. Okay guys, I just got back home from karaoke and dinner, and it is 12:05. I've been having a foundation on upwards to 9 to 10 hours, and I am really satisfied. I just want to come and just show y'all the real. You can see where I was eating, and my lipstick transferred down here. How lipstick got all the way down there, I don't know, but I was eating some fried chicken, so that's probably why. But yeah, I just want to come and show you guys the real. These are my results. Again, it is after midnight, and this is a full day's wear of the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation, and I would have to say that I am very satisfied. Baby, do you think I look good still?
Makeup on fleek!
I've been having this foundation on since like 2 something or 3 something today, and it's after midnight, and this is what I'm working with. So let me know if you guys intend on trying out the foundation. Let me know what you think about how my face looks right now, and until the next time, divas, I will see you later. Bye. Okay, so today it's going to be round 2 of testing the new Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Yesterday I used my Becca Ever-Matte Poreless Perfecting Primer, and so today I'm going to use the Hangover RX primer in combination with the Dr. Brandt primer. I just want to kind of see how the foundation would work with different primers. Okay, so I'm going to go in with a little bit of Hangover RX first. Alright, so I'm going to be using the Dr. Brandt Pores No More, and I'm just going to be putting that on my cheeks and my nose area where I have larger pores and where I get oily. So I'm just going to pat that in. And also yesterday I did color correct, so today I won't color correct to kind of see the true coverage of it. I want to kind of, you know, give you guys different scenarios for the foundation. So yesterday I applied 2 pumps to each side because that's what gave me the coverage that I like. So we're going to go ahead and do the same. And of course we're going to do one side and then we'll do the other. Alright, we got a clean beauty blender, and let's just pat in the foundation. Alright, so I am going to apply the other side and the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I have completed the rest of my makeup, and again, this is the Bobbi Brown New Skin Foundation, and it is almost 5:30. So I am going to wear the foundation for a couple of hours just to do a second wear test with the different combination of primers so that you guys can kind of see the wear. I will be back soon. Bye. Welcome back, divas. I am back with day 2, my final check-in using the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Foundation, and this is my second check-in of the day on day 2, and it is 10 p.m. On Sunday night, Charles and I just got back from dinner and a movie. We went to go see Proud Mary, and honey, don't waste your money, okay? But yeah, this is what my face is looking like. In person, it seems to be looking good. I'm not sure exactly what that would translate to on camera, but from what I can see in my mirror, it looks pretty decent. And I want to say that I've had this foundation on for quite a few hours now, at least 6 to 7 hours for today. And like I said, on day 1 I did not blot. On day 2 there is no blotting. This is just what my face is looking like and just wearing it. I can honestly say, you guys, I am very impressed, and I'm really satisfied. But anyways, I am going to be bringing you guys a few more foundation reviews. If you guys are interested in me reviewing any of the other new foundations, please list them down below. And that's all I have for you guys for tonight. I will see you later. Bye.